my lord, because every day these absconding persons, my lord, are coming and sitting outside my house with 10 bouncers. I phone the police every day. After they leave, the police comes. Lord, my life is at stake now. Every day the father and son come and sit there with bouncers and open arms. 4 hours every day. The police is informed, nothing is done. Lord, they have broken my limbs. My eyesight has gone, my petitioner's brothers. Now,
That was 462.
wait, please, Your Lordship. Lord, the last order passed in this. My Lord,
There is no other.
Mr. Wasim Ahmed is there, my Lord.
Where is he? Chalo.
Lord, 29th/4, there was a direction upon the state, Lord. Lord, on the 29th/4. Lord, to produce the case diary on the next date of hearing, which is now today. And my Lord, they had said that the charge sheet has been filed, but my Lord Justice Sengupta had said you secure the attendance of the absconding accused. Now, my Lord, the absconding accused, father and son, with 10 bouncers, come and sit outside my house every day from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. And every day I phone the local police, and after they leave, the police comes.
Is the case diary is there?
My lord, the thing is that, my lord, already the charge sheet has been submitted. Now, what I have been told, there is a matter pending before the High Court, my lord, where this matter has been stayed by the High Court. I do not know what is the status of that order.
That's a
Let me get
different
hold
issue
of that
altogether.
order, because the
That relates to allowing anticipatory bail on surrender. I do not
Lord,
know how it happened.
that order needs to be here with me, my lord. Unfortunately, that order is not with me.
Lordship will
Let
keep
me
it
get
this
hold of
Friday,
that
my Lord.
order. I'll get back to you.
Lordship will keep it this Friday, my Lord, because every day these absconding persons, my Lord, are coming and sitting outside my house with 10 bouncers. I phone the police every day. After they leave, the police comes. Lord, my life is at stake now.
Where is this?
Bhawanipur. Lord, this Jai Hind Dhaba, it's a famous dhaba. This father and son, the respondent number 4 and 5 run that, Lord. Lord, and I'm there.
If there is
it's
a
200 yards away from the.
we will keep
It's 200 yards away from the
Lord.
They filed anticipatory bail 4 times not pressed. 5th time they went and surrendered. They were given bail. We challenged that. It was cancelled. They came to the ADJ. He allowed it. Then we came to the High Court. High Court said, no, you cannot do it. That matter is a separate issue altogether. But my life, limb, and property, Lord, I cannot say this, Lord, because they have the right. Now they have bought the next property to my house. I am in 4 by 1 by 1. They have bought 4 by 1 by 2. And by that pretext, every day the father and son come and sit there with bouncers and open arms. 4 hours every day. The police is informed, nothing is done. Lord, they have broken my limbs. My eyesight has gone. My petitioner's brothers. Now they want to do away with me.
Whether
Lord, this is why justice
and made to the police or not.
Lord, I have a series, my Lord. I shall file
All
the.
right. Mr. Ahmed,
Hello.
you have got this case diary of Bhawanipur 233.
At present, no.
They were supposed to come with the case on the next date of hearing.
Do you produce that? So Mr. Imam Lane, an advocate appearing for the petitioner, is disturbed by the atrocity of the private respondents, and the police authority is not acting in consonance or with adherence to the provisions of law. Earlier, there was a direction for production of the case diary. Mr. Ahmed says since the writ petition has appeared after a long time, the case diary is not available. তেইশ তারিখে হবে আমি তো 23 তারিখে কি অবস্থা হবে না
23rd, Lord. Lord, this side, Lord, I beseech your Lordship, Lord, because, Lord, had it not been so, Lord,
don't understand the
my Lord, I understand that. But the audacity, my Lord, to come and sit outside my house now. Both the absconding persons.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে Mr. Ahmed, I'm keeping this matter in the month of January. In the meantime, you ask the officer in charge Bhavani police station to ensure that this thing doesn't happen, which Mr.
No, certainly, my lord.
In case he mentions the matter, I have got to take exception to that.
I'll ensure, my lord. I'll ask you to ensure
Lord,
no harm is done to the petitioner. And
No,
since
harm
he's
is
the,
not there.
since
I'm
he's
not
the
saying any
complainant,
harm.
my lord.
No feeling of insecurity must be
No,
there.
they're coming and sitting outside
Well,
my
if
I'm
house.
asking him
My
to
lord.
take steps.
My lord.
He'll inform the officer in charge.
My lord.
Even then, if they pursue this in
And most of, my
nature
lord,
matter,
if they're absconding, my lord, if they come to the place, my lord, they'll get arrested.
if you mention
My lord.
the matter in case this further continues. I am
Lordship.
directing.
Lordship.
He will communicate to the officer in charge of Bhawanipur Police
Lord,
Station.
and the post written affairs blood that my learned friend has said, Lord, I shall file a supplementary to that effect also. Because I have been repeatedly informing the police, Lord.
Then he'll have a better case.
I am again telling you, if this sense of insecurity doesn't go away or this instill, this is not good for law and order.
Certainly, certainly.
So he will inform the officer in charge.
Gotcha.
It's for the officer in charge to decide. Thereafter, court will take its own action, sir. কি বললাম?
January, my lord.
23 तारीख
Available.
बोलो ना।
नहीं 23 को बहुत मैटर है
Mr. Ahmed is directed to communicate with the officer in charge of Bhawanipur Police Station to ensure that the present petitioner do not feel insecure because of act and actions of the private aid recipients. Full stop. List is the petition on 10 তারিখে দিই? On 10th of January 2025 under the heading 4 orders. Full stop. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to mention the matter in case there is any disturbance created in the peaceful enjoyment of the life and property of the petitioner.
And to file a supplementary to that effect.
That you come with then again this will continue, sir.
No, I'll serve them in advance. Much obliged.
I'm grateful.